Ram Madhav and G. Kishan Reddy have met Union Home Minister Amit Shah. Ram Madhav along with Union Minister G. Kishan Reddy have met Union Home Minister Amit Shah. This meeting is pertaining to the upcoming assembly elections in J&K. He is of course recently appointed by the BJP as in charge of the J&K elections. The assembly elections in Jammu and Kashmir are set to take place in 3 phases, that is September 18th, September 25th and October 1st, with the results of course expected to be announced on October 4th. This will be the first assembly election in the region since the abrogation of Article 375 years ago. My colleague Mahima Kataria joins us on the broadcast with more details. Mahima, it seems that the Bharatiya Janata Party is also buckling up for the elections, the much anticipated elections in Jammu and Kashmir. We've seen the Lok Sabha elections, we've seen the voter turnout has been robust this time around. The Congress and the JKNC on one hand, they have decided to fight the polls together after a long time, and now the BJP also chalking up its own strategy. What are your sources telling you?
Well, absolutely, Pia. Like you correctly pointed out, Ram Madhav along with Union Minister G. Kishan Reddy, who was recently appointed by BJP as in charge of the upcoming assembly election in J&K, met Home Minister Amit Shah. Also, what is important, Pia, here is that both the leaders were in J&K, also met people, and I would say the designated in charges of RSS. If the sources are to be believed, the tickets will be given to whom was a major discussion with RSS. This time, RSS plays a vital role in the elections of J&K, and like you correctly pointed out, yes, BJP is all set to buckle up when it comes to the assembly election in J&K since the abrogation of Article 370. And this time, BJP might contest on all the seats of Jammu and not clearly on every seat in Kashmir. So we'll have to wait and watch that what exactly will be the BJP strategy as today. Both the leaders met Home Minister Amit Shah, have given the reports because both the leaders were in J&K for 2 days. So we'll have to wait and watch about the strategy, because it is also said that today a meeting might take place at JP Nadda's residence about the assembly election that is going to happen in J&K.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.